What's up, guys? So last night garage cable snapped. Just gonna show you real quick what you want to do is pull down that to disengage the garage from the track. Unplug your opener, lift the door up, get some vice grips to hold the door in place here. I've already run my new line. This is how the old one was set up. This one I put a carabiner, run that through, and gonna get the rest of it set up, but that's pretty much it. We pull on this, and let me put you down for a second. Alright, so basically you run from here and your line's gonna go over there through that pulley, and then it's gonna come up back, and there's gonna be another pulley there. It goes loops around, and there's gonna be a hook right there at the end of the garage where that hook's on. So you go up around that pulley, and back to here. Make sure that your springs are lined up. I'm gonna double check that, and I gotta make sure that this safety cable is not in the way, but that's pretty much it. Pretty easy process. I did put some of these on here to make this shorter. So I'm gonna get this wrapped up, and maybe I'll have a clip of it working.